रुख करते हैं लोकसभा का।
Language of that particular state or region would help the candidate in performing his duties effectively. Thus, with a view to provide a level playing field and to expand employment possibilities for local youth, it has been decided that the examination for direct recruitment of officers scale 1 and office assistant multipurpose in RRBs will be conducted in 13 regional languages in addition to English and Hindi. I'll just read it out one. These 13 regional languages are Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Konkani, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Oriya, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. The candidates will, in addition to English and Hindi, also have the option to choose the regional language of the state that they have opted for from among the above languages as their medium of examination. This change shall be implemented from the mains examination of CRP RRB 8, which is 2019, this year onwards. Thank you.
Item number 10, Sri Arjun Meghwal.